Don't go on the road. Daddy will get those. Get back up get up by the garage.
I got this.
Are you ready?
Let's watch Daddy's. Here, watch. Oh, we can't.
I don't flip off Daddy.
Shawnee, you watching?
I mean, yes, I don't do it. Do it the hardest you can. What's happening?
That was a dud. Everybody say dud.
That was good, Dad.
That was a dud. It went out. It went. What do you think of the fireworks, Shawnee? You hiding? What, baby?
It's a great 4th of July day.
It's a great 4th of July day. Are you having a great day?
Yeah.
Awesome. Watch that one.
It's a blue one. What's happening? The green one. What happened?
See, Shawnee? They're not to be scared of. You have to be careful with them and respect them. Okay? But that's why grown-ups handle them.
That's why I don't like holding them.
No, well, you don't ever hold those ones. You can hold the little poppers, but that's it.
I don't like poppers.
Okay, that's fine. You don't have to.
I don't want to hold them.
You don't have to, but you can watch. It's fun to watch, right?
Can I hold
Okay.
the bag? Can I hold the bag?
Hold on. Daddy's got another one.
What color is that one?
Let's see. Want to stand right here in front of Mommy?
Can I see what color?
There you
Are they
go.
noisy?
Nope, it's not noisy.
Dad, are they noisy?
Is that cool, Sean? You stand right next to Mommy?
They're not going. Why are they not going?
You gotta be patient. So, Daddy, back up.
Back up, Dad! Back up, Dad! Wow, wow.
Daddy, we can stand in front of it. We can't see it.
That's pink! Not canine! And then what's come up there? What's happening?
Well, you know, right here.
Wow! That was a firework!
Yeah.
I keep missing the fireworks.
So, do you have a good day, Sean? Shawnee? Shawnee, do you have a good day?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Are you
No,
ready?
why that one?
Caleb, you having a good day?
Wow.
Hey.
Can I hold the bag? Can I hold
Yes, you can hold the bag. Let Daddy finish what he's doing.
Dad! I hold the bag. You want the bigger one!
Okay.
That's the light.
In a minute. I'm going to get a little bowl that you guys can keep them in.
What's holy?
I'm going to get a little bowl you can put your little poppers in. And then I have something I'm going to do for you guys. You'll like what I've got little sparklers, but you guys are still too little for them, so Mommy will do them and you can watch.
Hold the bag and pop.
No, I'm going to put them in a cup. He's going to wait.
Oh, okay.
I figured they're easier in a bowl.
The bowl? I know where the bowl is gonna burn. And I'm gonna even though I'll be a lot in my don't have anything.
Yeah?
Is that one get real big? Maybe do that. I don't want noisy ones. No noisy.
You can't really see what it's like.
What is that?
Camera.